Welcome to Zoomer's RV of Wabash, Indiana. This is the new 2021 Forest River Rockwood Ultralight 2883WS. This 33-foot, 10-inch rear living fifth wheel weighs 9,440 pounds. It has 3 slides and sleeps 5 people. This is a brand new floor plan just out for the end 2020 into 2021 season. This camper comes with 2 ACs at MSRPs at $59,988. Was available for the Zoomer's low price of $41,753. That is as little as $341 a month with Zoomer's hassle-free on-site financing. As always, you can see more pics, more specs, or apply for financing online through our secure online portal. Just visit us at zoomersrv.com. You will see LED light strips and exterior light underneath this awning. We also have LED light strip underneath the second awning and quad steps leading up. Now let's take a look inside. Here we are inside. You will see this is indeed a very beautiful rear living fifth wheel. We have opposing slides, which give us a lot of space. To our left as we enter, we have this dinette with storage underneath. You'll notice this nice indoor-outdoor table and the light fixture above. We have theater seating directly across from our entertainment center with fireplace and TV, ceiling fan and AC above our heads, as well as a modern light fixture above the kitchen island. And of course we have this nice couch in the back with USB ports and outlets on either side and storage overhead. Let's take a look at this kitchen island. As you see, we have bar stools on one side and some storage on the other. You have this nice big pantry in here. 1.3 cubic foot built-in microwave and a Magic Chef stove. Also notice our 3-burner cooktop. We have a large refrigerator, Insignia brand. Above our kitchen sink we have some more storage. Kitchen sink with 2 cutting boards. We have plenty of outlets with 2 on the side and 2 over here with USB ports as well. So your phones aren't taking up your outlet space. And some storage underneath. As we make our way towards the front bedroom, we're going to stop and look at the fully enclosed restroom, which actually has 2 entryways. We have mirrored medicine cabinet with light, as well as our bathroom sink, foot flush toilet, storage overhead. We have shower with skylight. Here we have this nice wardrobe slide. This is a new camper and all the plastic's been taken off, so. Here we have our overhead cabinetry above the bed, the end table on that side, and built-in dresser on this side. Nice queen bed. TV hookups. Of course, we have our second AC. Take a step back, you'll see that we have our sliding door so that this restroom does in fact become a fully enclosed restroom. I hope you enjoyed the tour of this brand new floor plan for this 2021 Rockwood. Let us know what you think in the comments, and feel free to visit us in person or online at zoomersrv.com. Thank you.